USAdrop Payment Solution. USAdrop provides various and stable payment access. By simply using the USAdrop platform to fulfill orders, you can access the USAdrop payment service, which is available nationwide. The USAdrop payment service offers wide accessibility, being accessible across all countries and regions. It provides account stability, ensuring a reliable and secure account management system. You get smooth transactions, facilitating easy and efficient fund transfers, as well as multiple payment channels including PayPal and credit cards. You can contact your agent for more information on this service. USAdrop's Ads Agency. With the USAdrop Ads Agency, you get up to 5% cashback on your ads. USAdrop's Ads Agency is accessible in any country, and the ad service can be used for all products with the exception of prohibited items like knives, hazardous materials, and weapons. Go to adsagency.usadrop.com for more information. USAdrop Co-founder. As a USAdrop partner, you can earn a 30% profit share. Simply refer your friends to sign up for the USAdrop platform and use our services, including order fulfillment, payments, ad services, and more, and you'll receive a share of the profits from all of the services that they use. Go to cofounder.usadrop.com for more information. Print-on-demand services. Our print-on-demand service offers high customization. We have a flexible system allowing custom designs on any product. We have a wide selection of products, allowing you to choose from over 100 products. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can simply contact a representative for assistance. Our print-on-demand service supports multiple languages for ease of use. You can sync design products directly to your customers, reducing error rates. Go to product.usadrop.com/podlist/index and log into your USAdrop account to see our print-on-demand catalog. Customized logos and packaging. We support product customization and packaging to align with your brand's aesthetics and messaging. This will allow you to stand out and offer unique, personalized items that set your brand apart from competitors. You can also build and reflect your brand identity and values through custom packaging. We offer flexible solutions and are adaptable to your specific needs for greater flexibility. Go to usadrop.com/branding for more information. Photography. Our team of experienced and skilled photographers capture stunning, high-quality images of your products. These photos are optimized for e-commerce, ensuring your products look their best on your platform. This will help you to enhance your brand with high-quality visuals, boosting your brand's image and professionalism. You'll also benefit from better customer engagement. Attractive images increase customer engagement, leading to higher sales and satisfaction. Go to usadrop.com/branding for more information.